Guys, welcome back for another video. Now in today's video we're going to be going over 7 hacks to crush it on OnlyFans. Now I've been getting tons of positive feedback on the videos I've been making, so I've decided to kind of keep up that momentum and give away, my knowledge. So yeah, this video is going to crush it in terms of if you're out there looking to make some significant gains on your OnlyFans relatively quickly. All right, so let's get into it. Now, in case you don't know who I am, my name is Ethan Bayless. I own an OnlyFans management and growth agency based in the UK, which is called Altruist. So if you're interested in joining us, you can go to the links below. And I also launched a consultancy course where I help other OnlyFans agencies make more money from their girls. All right, so let's get to it. Now, step number 1 is to sext your fans regularly. Now I'm just going to move my head up here. So by simply sexting your fans regularly, you're going to start to notice that your earnings will increase dramatically. Now, the reason this works so well is because you're actually selling intimacy. You're not going on there selling these, these pixelated pictures of girls nude. What you're actually doing is you're selling a relationship intimacy. So if you're providing that intimacy, it's going to make you stand out compared to all the other creators who are just purely sending out content. All right, and it means that they're going to give you the money instead of creators elsewhere. So when sexting, I want to make sure that you're just not wasting all your time sexting fans who just have really no interest in giving you money. You need to be pushy and ask for money. This is a business in the end of the day. They need to understand that you're only sexting them because they're paying you. So if you need to make that clear to your fans, don't hesitate, just make it clear. Now, step number 2 is to produce high quality content. Now, creating high quality content is relatively simple. All you need to do is take clear pictures in a good lighting and make sure that the videos aren't shaky. So with each piece of content that you make sure you keep it fresh by changing the pose, outfit and location regularly. You can't just be sending the same photos out there, as your fans are going to get relatively bored of it. You need to make sure that you're switching stuff up. Now, the most important aspect of this to keep in mind is that pictures need to be crystal clear. That's the most important part of all of it. You need to make sure you've got a professional camera, and you need to make sure that the images are good quality. Otherwise, if you've got a bad quality image and you're sending it out, you're going to lose some subscribers and fans. So when taking photos, set your camera to burst mode, and then you recommend just taking a bunch of like 50 photos of you, and then just go through each and every picture, handpicking the best ones. All right. So next is stay consistent. Now, the reason most OnlyFans creators never make it even to the top to 10% is because they don't stay consistent to the process of actually growing their OnlyFans. Now, I see so many people entering the space going, OnlyFans is a get rich quick scheme, when it really isn't. It's a business like everything else, and there's a lot of competition. So you need to make sure that you're staying consistent, because that consistency is what's going to outperform your competition in the end of the day. Now, a quick tip to stay consistent is to build a daily checklist of activities that you need to be done within a few months, and you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. All right. So essentially, every day you're just ticking off 4 or 5 things that you need to get done. So that could be taking photos for pay-per-view content. It could be marketing on Twitter, marketing on Instagram. Just keep on ticking this stuff off daily, and you're going to start to see the fruits of your labor. Yes, initially it does take a bit of time to build up, but it's like any other business, whereas this is one of the businesses that has the least amount of stress, because you're selling a digital product, which is fairly easy to create. All right. So yeah, stay consistent. That's how you're going to outperform all the other creators out there, and you can get to the top 10% really easily. Now, send out voice notes. So this is another cool little hack. So voice notes, I think, are an underutilized feature on OnlyFans. Now, not only is it a great way to actually show your audience that you're a real, authentic person, but it helps strengthen your subscriber relationships, as it adds a more personal touch than just a generic "hi, what's up" or "what you up to" message. So try and send out a voice note at least once a week to keep your fans on top of their mind. So you make sure that they feel like they have a relationship with you. So a simple voice note is just going to make them start thinking about you a little bit more, and they're going to be thinking, oh yeah, I need to check, I need to message the girl, see if she left me a voice note, because it just gives them more of a personal touch, and they think that you've only sent it to them. So that's a really great way to actually keep on top of mind with your subscribers. Now, shoot for engagement. So engagement is one of the biggest driving forces in social media growth. each social media's algorithm is designed to keep people as engaged as possible on their platform, okay? So by becoming a creator that gets lots of engagement, you're going to notice that all your socials will start to grow at an accelerated rate compared to everyone else. Now, there's thousands of little tips that you can do to boost your engagement, but the easiest boost will come from you asking questions in your caption or by making controversial content. Now, I see lots of OnlyFans creators who are afraid to make controversial content because it's going to attract negativity. But all attention is good attention. Even if you're getting negative attention, you're going to get a few guys who come through and come to your defense, and then you can just simply speak to them a little bit and they'll join your OnlyFans. So all attention is good attention. Don't be afraid to make controversial content, and make sure that your captions are kind of curiosity invoking. They're asking questions, so they're actively getting them to engage with your post. So that could be a simple caption saying, what would you do if your family like this? Or just something along those lines, which actually gets them thinking, and they just type in a response, and that's going to note that your profile is good for engagement. So the social media is going to boost your profile. All right. Hope it's all making sense so far. Now, the next hack is to leverage communities. So communities are another great tool for getting attention. So you want to join a few communities on platforms such as Reddit, Discord, and Twitter, and start posting thirst trap images along with a cute caption. Keep it really simple. A simple thirst trap image with a cute caption is all you need to do to get attention from these communities. Now, when posting in these communities, guys will start actually reaching out and messaging you, and just simply send them a message forwarding them to your OnlyFans if they'd like to speak more. I see loads of people saying, oh, you should make sure to nurture your DMs, put lots of time into it. Personally, I think that's a waste of time, because you don't want to be wasting valuable time which you could be using to make content, promote more, or messaging, potential subscribers on social media. If they're really about it, they'll just join. So yeah, make sure that you just send a simple, quick message saying, hey, we'd love to talk. You seem really cool. Let's speak more on OnlyFans. And if they don't respond to that, I wouldn't really bother personally. All right. So that concludes all the hacks. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you did get any value from this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button below, and comment any other questions that you may have. Now, I've seen lots of people asking me for my pay-per-view tracking sheet, and I just want to make it clear that I'm not going to be giving that out for free, as it's something that me and my team have put a lot of time and intensive resources into actually making. So if you're interested in getting that, then you can join the OnlyFans consulting, which I do private one-on-one consulting for other agency owners, helping them kind of, manage their systems better and, get more subscribers for their creators. All right. So that concludes the video. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.